Your floors not only set the tone for your entire house, but they endure the wear and tear of everyday life. Buyers want floors in good condition, floors that look great. But what kind of flooring increases home value, really? We asked Leanne Russell, a top real estate agent in the Atlanta area, for flooring advice.
Flooring, in my opinion, is always a low-cost expense, yet you get a higher return on your investment. So if your carpet needs to be replaced, you can spend a couple $1,000s getting it replaced and getting new carpet, especially if you had pets or things like that, and it goes a lot longer way as far as your investment.
Hardwood floors are both timeless and versatile, and will give you the biggest ROI when it comes to flooring. According to the National Association of Realtors, 54% of homebuyers are willing to pay more for hardwood floors when buying a house. This isn't just a trend among luxury homes either. The National Association of Home Builders found that 87% of buyers in the $100,000 to $150,000 price range prefer hardwood flooring. What should you expect to pay to add hardwood floors to your home? According to a study by Porch, installing about 300 square feet costs an average of $2,700 to $3,800. Carpeting costs an average of about $1,300 to $1,800. If you love the way hardwood looks but are still on a tighter budget, you still have options. Vinyl flooring is inexpensive and comes in a number of designs, including faux marble tile, porcelain, and hardwood. Sheets of vinyl flooring cost anywhere between 75 cents and $4 per square foot, while easy-to-install planks and tiles average around $5 per square foot. Linoleum is another affordable option. It runs about $4 to $6 per square foot for sheets and tiles, and about $7 to $9 for click-together pieces. Other budget-friendly flooring options include carpet tiles or painting existing wood, cement, tile, or linoleum floors. Choose a floor that makes sense for each specific room. Kitchens and entryways need a floor that can stand up to heavy foot traffic, like ceramic tile. Meanwhile, the humidity of a bathroom would make wood a poor choice. If this sounds like a lot to remember, here are some quick tips for flooring. Keep it consistent, no matter what it is. Hard surfaces are better than carpeting. If carpet must stay, keep it in the bedroom, and don't let floor types meet in high traffic areas. As with all aspects of selling your home, speaking with a top selling agent is the best way to ensure your flooring increases your home value. If you have a flooring tip of your own, post a comment below and let us know.